Hello, friends! Welcome to Melody Milo Kids!
Blue, yellow, green, red, green, brown, blue, white, light blue, red, white, pink, red, black, dark red, green, blue, teal, yellow, white, cream, red, yellow, orange, red, blue, purple.